In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can define a series of charges in a different height. As you can see here, I can change their location. We're also going to define a radius, which is going to be a center of a point. So if I change the location of this point, you can see that the metaball is going to change. It's going to change the final results. We can change the radius, the location, and that is going to give us some opportunity to explore the different metaballs we can create. Okay, let's get started from scratch and learn this step by step.